Ever seen an ad that felt way off? Violent? Inappropriate? It's a nightmare for creators and users alike. With billions of videos online, human moderators can't keep up. Slow, costly, and stressful. But what if AI could help? A new study from Zefr Inc. tested AI models like Gemini and GPT to spot unsafe content. These systems don't just read text. They see videos, hear audio, and analyze captions. The goal? Safer, more relevant ads for everyone. The researchers built a multimodal, multilingual dataset, a library of videos, transcripts, and thumbnails rated for risks like violence or hate speech. By combining visual, audio, and textual clues, AI outperformed humans in accuracy. Plus, it's way cheaper. But AI isn't perfect. It struggles with context, like flagging a cooking knife as violent or missing a joke in another language. The solution? Hybrid systems. AI handles the bulk, humans tackle tricky cases. This isn't about replacing people, it's about smarter moderation. By sharing their dataset, the team is fueling progress. The future? A blend of human intuition and AI power. Safer online spaces, one ad at a time. Next time an ad feels right, maybe thank an AI or the researchers making it possible. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.